fantastic. Say for example, okay, you are facing some issue with YouTube. Either it could be related to monetization or whatever it could be. So certainly you can actually contact YouTube to get the needed support. So I'm going to tell you in this video how you can actually get the support from YouTube team. Okay. So for that, first make sure you log into your YouTube channel. So right now I have just logged into my YouTube channel, and let me just click on the icon of my YouTube channel and then go to YouTube Studio. Okay. Go to YouTube Studio. So once you go to YouTube Studio, see the moment you go to YouTube Studio, on the top right corner, you see a question mark, okay, which says as help. Okay. So just click on help. Now, the moment you click on help, there is a pop-up that opens. So here is something that I want you to do first. Before reaching out to YouTube team, I want you to do a little bit of search on the content that they have already created to make sure it is actually going to answer your question or not. Because do understand, they do also be having resource constraints. So make sure you try your best to search for the issue whatever you're facing right now. Okay. And if you're not able to get the answer, only then contact them via chat or email. So first let's see, say for example, okay, you're facing some issue with monetization. So let me just search as monetization is disabled for my channel example. Okay. So the moment you search for any content that you are searching or any topic, you'll start seeing the help. Okay. So it says monetization is disabled for my channel. Okay. Attempting monetization of videos you don't own. Okay. So this could be the reason. And it says attempting monetization of videos that don't meet our advertising friendly content guidelines, violation of YouTube monetization terms. Correct. So for each and every type of help that you would be needing, they have already created the videos for it. So there is already videos or there is already content that is there which could help you to rectify. Okay. So first make sure you are searching that and then see if that is going to help you. In majority of the case, it might be helping you. If that is not helping, then your next action is to actually have a chat with them. So how do we chat? So here is what I'm going to show you how you can actually have a chat with them. So let me just remove this. Okay. Let me just go back to help. So the moment you go there, okay, it says contact YouTube creator support team. Okay. That's what you need to click. So just click on this. And once you do this, so due to COVID, there is a message that they have popped up, but just scroll down. Once you scroll down, you see that there is an option to chat. Okay. Just click on chat, and here is something. The chat is available in multiple languages. So you can choose based on the language what you are most comfortable with. Okay. So say for example, okay, I want to chat in English. So let me just click chat in English. The moment you click on that, chat with a member of our team. Okay. So the moment you do that, you can see you are currently signed in as whatever Gmail ID you are using, right? And all you need to do is enter the channel URL. Okay. Say for example, you'll just enter the channel URL, and the moment you enter that, you can just click on start chat. So with that, you'll be able to chat with the YouTube team. So that's how you can actually start a chat with the YouTube team, and they'll be able to guide you on what is the probable resolution for your problem. So that's first thing. Now let's see how you can actually send an email as well. Okay. So again, just click on the help. Okay. And say for example, you are not able to find the content that you are looking for. Just come below and click on contact us. It says more information, and here it says again get creator support. So either you can click on monetization and AdSense issue or whatever it could be. So let me just click on monetization and AdSense. So here you can see again request chat or email support. Once you click on email support, so you'll be seeing an option like this where you can enter your first name, last name, channel URL, what is the query that you have. Okay. Is your issue about a specific video? Yes or no? Okay. And please attach a file as well. You can certainly attach a screenshot as well for that. So this is how actually you can send a email option. Now say for example, okay, for the problem that you are looking, you don't find a email option. Now in that case, there is one more option where you can certainly send a feedback to YouTube team. So how do we do that is because, how do you do that is just click on the icon. Okay. Once you click on the icon, you have something called as send feedback. Just click on send feedback. Once you do that, you have an option here where you can actually write whatever issue that you are facing and just include the screenshot and then send. So that's how you can actually contact YouTube support team so that your issues are being rectified. So as I said before, please make sure before sending requesting for a chat or email support, look for the content that is already there in their help center. Certainly that might be helping you. If that is not helping you, only then contact the support team so that you also value their time. Okay, so I hope this video was helpful. Thank you very much.